What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Boy, that's a lot of bow ties sitting there for this one little lone blue oval. What's going on? We're going to talk about hoods and fitment and swappability. Just recently finished this. This was a mashup between the USA 1 monster truck and Jeep NJ resin body that I printed. And I kind of went through some changes with it, trying to use the motor that came with that monster truck, because it's pretty bitchin'. The first snag was the headers, which I'd already blued and painted and made look all cool, were designed to come out of the frame, you know, because it was all lifted. So that wouldn't work, and I started shopping around for, well, shoot, what other motors can I get to fit under that hood? And it led me to start looking around that, you know, this is a Revell kit, so it obviously wasn't going to work, but I was curious if any one of these other Silverados that are available from AMT will fit. And I just got this dually that's part of an idea that I have, that it fits. I mean, I haven't tried the hood itself, but I've put the other hood on it, and it's beautiful. I mean, look at that line right there on the lip, or where the fender is. It's absolutely perfect. So, and you know, it will obviously fits on the other monster truck one, but it just a heads up if you were looking at, you know, for kit bashing possibilities for this kit. I mean, yeah, sure, you could easily just cut a hole in that hood, but there's one that's already nicely cut, and it comes with a really nice motor to put in there. That's kind of where I'm going with mine for this project that I got coming up. This will be pulling that. It'll be bigger. That's just a mock-up. These tires, I've got some other ones, I just haven't printed them yet. They're going to be bigger, as well as this will have bigger tires on it, and we'll be pulling one of those two trailers. I'm kind of leaning towards this one. I've had it for quite a while and been holding on to it for something special, and this is going to be something special. So just, you know, just want to let you guys out there know, the guys that are doing the hack and chops, that this is a much easier way, and you get a monster truck chassis with tires you can put somewhere else. You get this motor that drops in pretty nicely, you know. I mean, yeah, this easy fit will probably take a little bit of the magic spinning wheel, but you know, I'm gonna make it work. I mean, this one, you know, it goes in there, so it won't take much to put something ridiculous in the big rear. And I also noticed that the undersides is swap out relatively easy. I mean, I'm not sure why you would want to do that, but you know, whatever, for what it's worth. That's about it. Just kind of wanted to show you guys a little thing that I suspected and discovered. Cool. I'm pretty excited about it. This the yeah, the dually pulling the Bronco on some cool trailer. Yes. So let me know what you think, and let me know if you're excited about that too, if you could care less. There's another cool little part that came in it that's going to go on there. That's going to be a neat little addition, and we'll see you in the next one.